Welcome all. Today we are going to see about the first chapter, that is integers. This video deals about the concepts involved in exercise 1.3, which includes multiplication of integers. The first concept, multiplication of a positive and negative integer. Here I have used variables for more understanding. So first is a into minus b. You have to consider these integers as whole numbers first and then multiply. So a into b should be first multiplied and it gives you ab. And then the signs. Here's only one negative sign and there's a positive sign over here. So positive into negative gives you negative. So the product is minus ab. Next concept. The multiplication of two negative integers. Minus a into minus b. Again you have to consider these two as whole numbers and first multiply the whole numbers. It gives you ab. And then the signs. Negative into negative gives you a positive sign. So the product here is plus ab. Then the properties involved. The first is closure. Closure says that multiplication of two integers will give you an integer. So if you have an equation as a into b, the product c is also an integer, wherein a, b and c are all integers. The next property, commutative of multiplication, where a into b is also equal to b into a. So whatever may be the order, the result will give you the same product. So 1 into 3 is also equal to 3 into 1, which is obviously 3. Multiplication by 0. You multiply any integer with 0 or any number with 0, the product will obviously be 0. So a into 0 is 0. Example, 3 into 0 obviously gives you 0. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is something wherein you multiply an integer with another integer so that it gives you the first integer, that is a. So the multiplicative identity for multiplication is 1. So a into 1 gives you a, the same integer. So the examples are 3 into 1 which gives you 3 and 4 into 1 which obviously gives you 4. Associativity for multiplication. If you have multiplication of 3 integers, you have to first multiply any 2 integers and then the third. Associativity involves that the order in which you multiply these integers can be anywhere. So the first order is a into b into c. You are first multiplying a into b. This can also be done as a into b and c first. This can also be like a into c and then b. The example is 3 into 2 into 5, where all the 3 methods gives you the same result, that is 30. Distributive property. The distributive property involves multiplication over addition or subtraction. First addition, a into b plus c. Here a distributes over b and c with regard to the addition sign. So here a into b and a into c plus should be added. So it's a into b plus a into c. The same is for subtraction. A into b minus c. Here a distributes over b and c as well. So the product should be a into b minus a into c. That's all for the concepts involved in 1.3. The next video involves the questions and the method in which you solve the questions. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.